Muthenya wa ira thutha wa giikaro kiria kirareire hamwe kamiti ya miario ya wuiguano gatagati ka mwena wa thirikari na Ngwataniro. Mwena wa Azimio rita ria keri ni uraumururukire miario-ini ino iguru wa kiria maruga ni mwena wa Kenya Kwanza gwikirira muhuthia agenda iria iri na uritu na iria ni ta kumba weru kamiti ya IBC thama ciama-ini iria iri rungu rwa Azimio na kuhuthiria Kenya garama ya muturire undu uria uracungiriirie miario ino kurugamio kwa ihinda. No thutha wa gucemania na ameba kamiti ino utongoria wa Azimio rungu rwa Raila Odinga ni uhete thirikari mweke wa thiku 6 wa gwicurania mwerekera uria marenda miario.
The meeting resolved and has given authority to our team in the bipartisan talks to issue a notice of dissolution of the talks in the event that Kenya Kwanza will not publicly accede to the interim measures within 6 days in line with the provisions of the framework agreement. This notice ends on Tuesday next week.
Makigereka kabiro mutaratara wa miario ino Azimio irauga ni maguokirwo ati thirikari no matuku irataririra miario ino inikirire hatari umithio amu maria matanyitwo kwaririo ta kurugamia tharikira ya kiama kia Jubilee ona kwegutiria mu Kenya bigiga ya magoti ni mo thirikari irekirira.
We ask all Kenyans to join us in protecting multi-party democracy for which many Kenyans lost their lives. All Jubilee party members of parliament who have crossed the floor and joined Kenya Kwanza must go for by-elections. Those who hold their positions by virtue of their nomination by Azimio must have their nominations revoked.
Makirongoreria njetukano iria ithiite ona mbere kwihirira kiama-ini kia Jubilee, Azimio maugite muoroto wa Kenya Kwanza ni kunyita migwate wiyathi wa bunge niguo agenda ciothe cia thirikari ikahituka kumana na wiingi bunge-ini undu uria marauga urakinyanirio ni mwandikithia wa ciama Anne Nderitu na uria marauga ni anyitire itemi guthoka marua ma kugitira kuhamurithio kwa utongoria wa kiama kia Jubilee mbere ya mucemanio wa kanjũ iguru NDC muthi wa Jumatatu.
The Registrar of Political Parties, Mrs. Anne Nderitu, must leave office in view of clear manifestations that she has been co-opted into partisan and illegal schemes by Kenya Kwanza to cripple instead of protecting political parties.
Nituturite tuwe atu office ya RPP niyo yaga instructions kuma State House makanyitana na andu acio mari hau maria makoretwo makienda guthararia kiama kia Jubilee magerie gwika maundu maria mangika na niturakimanyitukirie kuringana na watho na gutiri mwena wa watho tutahingitie ithuĩ na nikio turera RPP register na record resolutions ya NDC kugana na uguo ni ndeto cia barabara.
Kungikinya miario gatagati ga thirikari na Azimio ni gukobofana kwa ya Azimio icoke kuri muingi amu ni mabangite giikaro kingi kiumia-ini giki kwaririria mwerekera wa bururi uria maugite nduraterebo uria gubatie. Thutha wa miario gatagati ka mwena wa Ngwataniro na thirikari guthongomana riu mwena wa Ngwataniro heti mwena wa thirikari thiku 6 mecuranie kana miario ino ni guthie na mbere o magitanya gukahe bururi ndumiriri ya mwanya keriga kiumia turorete. Grifotera Kameme TV jitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.